Meeting time. Gotta go. Let's get this done. 2 meetings back to back. Oh, it's Friday. It's Friday. Meetings are done for the day. Time to eat. I'm starving. It's 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. Ooh, look. I got some packages. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. I see you. More gifts. More gifts. All right. Let's go figure out what we're going to eat today. I still haven't made my bed. Look at my boys. Why you look like that, Leo? You look pissed off. You want to go pee-pee? Do you go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Oh my God, I gotta clean my room. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, stretch it out, boys. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Oh, you're my baby. All right. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Oh my God. I just love Christmas. Oh my, I'll give a tour of what I have so far. I need to go buy some more decor though. All right, come on. Let's get out of here. Get out of here, boys. Go play. Go have some fun. Yeah. Get out of here. Go. Bye. Anyone else ever have these problems where your little elastic thing breaks? Maybe I need to stop being cheap and buying the least expensive ones and buy the more expensive ones that won't pop in my hair. All right, well, I was thinking of what I wanted to eat, and today is carb day where I could have carbs. Just trying this new diet thing, but I'm gonna order Chipotle. Chipotle is ordered. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go work out, do my 12-3-30. By that time, the food should get here and I'll be good. I got my workout out of the way already. Right, boys? Come on. Where you? You gonna go watch my workout? All right, let's go. Done with my workout. Yes. Now to get my Chipotle. It said it was delivered. Oh yeah. Got it. Time to eat. I got a chicken bowl and some chips and queso on the side. I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat. Back to work and just gonna watch some YouTube. Love my favorite YouTuber, Remy. Back to work, finished eating. I'm so full. And then we can get dinner stuff prep because I am running behind. Okay, let me get some stuff done. Yay, Friday! Boys, guess what? This box is for you. Just want to give a special shout out to Cassidy. I love you so much for this. Okay, so I've been searching and searching for one of these, but I couldn't find one. And my bestie from Ohio literally found one and sent it over. Hold on one sec. Oh my God, okay. Ace, you're gonna go crazy, I'm telling you. Hold on. What? Get this open. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's a dog advent calendar. You don't, do you even know what it is, buddy? Do you smell the treats? Do you smell it? All right, let me take them out. Get down, get down. Let me take it out. And then we'll do number one since we didn't do it. But then we got to wait for Daddy for two, okay? Oh my God, I love you so much, Cassidy. Oh. All right, buddy. I think you're ready. Oh my gosh. All right. So let me see. I don't want to break it. How do I do this? You want to help me, bud? Hold on. Let me try opening first. Oh, wait. Duh, there's tape right here. Okay. This is where we're going to open them every day. Sorry. Leo's always scared. He's like, I don't trust this box right now. But ACP's ready. Okay, let's open. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me open this. Move, move, move. Oh my God, look at this. Come on, Leo. Come here. Come here, buddy. Oh. Ace, okay, we gotta open number one. Oh, I feel bad not doing this with Daddy. Should we wait? No, you're gonna kill me. Okay, where's number one? Wait. Wait, not yet. Look, number one is right here. That's the one we're gonna do. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm opening. All right, we're gonna have to move this somewhere else. All right, look. I know, look, number one right here. Oh my gosh, what is this? Hold on. Oh, it's some treats. Look, Leo. Oh, yes, some treats. Okay, we're going to open these and see what you think. You ready? All right, Ace, one. Whoa, one. Okay. Leo. What do you think? Oh, Leo likes it. Ace, what do you think? Oh, you like it? Yeah, here, have another one. Another one? Look at the cute ones. Oh my gosh, my little babies. Okay, there you go, one more. Good boys. We'll wait for Daddy when he comes home, okay? I'm gonna put these away. Oh, this calendar is so beautiful. And then two will be this one when Austin gets home, okay? All right, we gotta put it away now. Be careful. This is freaking awesome. I'm so excited. Every morning, okay? All right. I put the advent calendar over here. So every day we'll grab it and then you get to pick it out, okay? You too, Leo. I know, we gotta wait. Look at these boys. They're so cute. Okay. I just got a package. And if you didn't see that, I mean, you had to know from this background, right? You had to. Oh my gosh. Get that out of the way. I got 3 candles. Oh, this box just smells so good. Let me open them and then I'm about to burn one and see which one I want to do. Okay. They're like so, never mind. They were so hard to open. Ow. Oh. I got this balsam and firewood one. Look how pretty this looks. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so good. This was a new one I tried. I've never gotten this one for Christmas. And then let's see that next one. Then I got a regular fresh balsam one. Look at that. Oh, I love the smell. It smells so good. Next, I got, oh no, I've been opening them wrong. I'm an idiot. You're an idiot. Of course, winter candy apple. Look how nice. Whoa, this is different. Oh my gosh. Oh, favorite one. This smells so good. So these are the 3 I got. Which one do I want to do? Do I want to just off the bat this one? Or just try the other ones? I don't know. Eeny, meeny, miny. This one. Done. Done. You won. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's go. All right. Austin's home. Day 2. All right. We're going to do day 2. You want to come and look at it? Ready? Open it up.
Open what up?
The thing.
Oh, it's like a door?
Yeah. Oh, isn't that so cool? Look at that. Hold on. All right, find day 2 and give them. Hopefully it's a snack.
Like a little drawer?
Yeah. Where's day 2?
Day 2.
1 hour later.
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
There it is. What is it? Oh, more treats.
Like little pretzels.
Look at that.
Okay, buddy. Little fat boy.
Oh my, look at his stare. I love it. Oh, scooting up, I see.
Gentle. Oh, boys.
Oh, wait, what are they? The other ones, day 1s were gingerbreads. Oh, you said pretzels. Oh, you got some pretzels. That's it. Oh, you can keep them out, yeah, so we can give them throughout the night. Another one?
Okay,
I love this. I'm going to do this every year. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're done until tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, okay?